Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple steps to share your profile photos with specific contacts on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram gives you even more control over who sees your profile photo, and setting it up only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, look toward the top left-hand corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From here, make your way into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. This is the section where you'll find all the tools to manage your personal privacy preferences, including control of your profile photo visibility. Next, click on Profile Photos. Here, you'll notice different options for who can view your photo, such as Everyone, My Contacts, or Nobody. To share your profile photo only with people you trust, select My Contacts. This ensures only people saved in your contacts list will be able to see it. But what if you want to make exceptions and give access to certain people more specifically? Right next to the option labeled Always Share With, you'll see a button to add users. Click on it. Now, simply choose the contacts you want to allow access to. Scroll through your list. Select the users of your choice and then click Save. Once you've selected and saved, Telegram will remember these settings for you. The final step is a quick confirmation. Make sure everything looks right, your contacts are correctly chosen, and your sharing preference is set. Once confirmed, your profile photo visibility is updated instantly. That's it. You've successfully customized who can view your profile photo on Telegram for PC. This is a great way to maintain your privacy while still keeping connections open with the people you choose. Thanks for following along.